Hello guys, this is Dalvinder. Today we are at Master Planet, which is located at Banashankari 3rd Street, near to Ittalmadu main road, very near to Kadakpura as well. This property is around 2.25 acres with 178 units in it. One best part of this property is we have only north and east facing apartment. One of the best thing is you have a 6 feet gap between each apartment. So your apartment is an individual apartment open from both sides. You can see the false ceiling, your prior safety work has been done. So let me show you a model apartment of 1711 square feet with 3 BHK, 3 toilets. Let's get started guys. Home feature with every single apartment, and this is the teak wood basically. This is a dining plus your kitchen and utility section. This is your living space with a big balcony. This is a guest room. This is your master bedroom with a balcony type.